Broadcast, 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 broadcast. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Wednesday, December the 28th, 2011, 4 p.m. Eastern. And I missed the bell. It's not the same when I don't have the bell, isn't it? Sucks. What a day. What a day. What a wild Wednesday day. Break it out to break it down, baby. That's what happened. Tried to get the S&P higher, even took out previous day high, and then slammed them. Got up over 1270. Aussie got over almost 102. And I got killed in cable. But once they made that move, you knew things were coming. You actually could have made some great trades. Sterling just collapsed. And then everything went soon. The Euro Sterling came in, and then the Euro, bye-bye. How about that dollar Canada? We're going to look at some of these charts. Listen, one of the things I'm going to explain, I'm going to try to explain to you folks is basically, listen, there's going to be continuation. It don't get no more pretty than this. I mean, take a look. You got your doji, outside candle, bearish engulfing, and then, of course, continuation, right? So he's certainly in the S&P. I don't see how we're not going to get to 1245. That's the first line, I'm pretty sure, of the Fibonacci. At 1245 zone. But I got to tell you, I think we can even come in more. Thin markets, a lot of people got caught off guard. I think there are a lot of people that went away thinking, oh, the market's going to drift into the close, into the year like this. Well, no. No soup for you. So I think we definitely get continuation. Oh, hang on, team. Sorry. Wasn't presenting. I definitely think we get continuation. And when you take a look at some of these charts, we see the S&P here, a ton of data coming out. And I think that's going to continue. Hell yeah. And again, I'm going to show you these, the end of the year. We are flagging, and now we broke. Euro's closing below 129.50. Hello. Technical 101. The ECB balance sheet is exploding. It's bigger than the Fed, 2.7 trillion. Holy gamoly. Wow. And I guess, Iran with the Straits of Hormuz issue, maybe. A possibility. And, of course, year-end, now it's going to go year-end. And I don't think there's enough players around that are willing to stop it. So we're going to take a look again, and we got a lot of numbers coming out tonight. We got CPI out of Germany, no big deal there, but you never know. But U.S. unemployment claims, PMI, Chicago, pending home sales, crude inventory, then, of course, Chinese final HSB manufacturing. That's not going to be a good number. So, and, listen, we start coming to year now. I'm not saying we might not reverse. Maybe we reverse. And, again, we got more bond auctions coming out. The Italian bond auction went well, but then yields exploded again. So we look at this dollar index. Another one. Outside candle. Gorgeous. Look at this. Again, when you break from a flag like this, this should be easy. Easy. Easy trading, people. This is a blue horseshoe call. Oh, baby. Telling you, don't fight the tape. You want to fight the tape? Wait until we're weaker. Wait until the U.S. session. But and maybe the bond sale is going to be bad. And if the euro bounces, it's a SOS, sell on strength, euro dollar. But look at this dollar index, nice close, closing near the highs. Looks gorgeous. Now, again, we can look at the dollar index, and let's go back. Last 3 days of the year, and they're New Year's. Hello. 1, 2, 3. Bang, bang, bang. We're on the first day here, people. That's Thursday and then Friday. So I think that, and again, just because it went down doesn't mean it can't go up. It's just we tend to trend, especially we've been flagging for the last how many freaking days? Hello. And even you see here, well, not as much in 2009. But we see here, and not much. Where's the other one I saw? There's another one. Let's go back. But again, dollar index looks great. And let's take a look at the euro. Dollar. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look at that. Pull, flag, pull. First down day. Why would you try and break that? We're closing below this whole, it's a new low. Why would you want to try and buy that? The dead short. Now, I don't know how much there is. Certainly it's going to be about, it's about 128.50. Should be easy. Down here for sure. It's 128.80. That's only 50 pips. Who knows? The floodgates could open up. You do not want to be caught on the wrong side. Look what happened today. I got caught on the wrong side. Cable, I lost over 100 pips. Blew my whole Euro Canada trade. Dollar Canada. So I ended up making money, but just mad. It should have been a great day. I was just looking for a bouncing cable. I never got it. Never got it. But this looks disgusting. Sterling, closing at the lows. Say a little 153. I'm surprised Euro Sterling's going up. I think that one reverses. But cable looks disgusting. Terrible. And again, no. And again, when we look at the last days, here we went up. It's 250 pips last day. Look, second to last day of the year. Look at this move here. The last 2 days of the year. We're in here, in the moment, people. In the moment. Do not catch a falling knife. You look here. Oh, we did that. That was only a 3-year chart. But again, this is just the last 2 times you see we had movement. And this is a big break. And we should easily have continuation. And when are you people going to try my product? 1 week free trial. Come on, you freebies. Step up to the freaking plate. Doesn't cost you anything. Anyone that's ever done my service before? Of course not. No soup for you. Dollar yen. Nice little reversal in dollar yen. But I don't know. It just goes with the dollar. Dollar yen is just trading with the dollar. With bond yields so low, interest rate differential, nothing in Japan. I'm telling you, these Japanese companies, it's next year's trade. But the yens in general look terrible. I'm out. You look at this euro yen, disgusting. Look at that break. This thing's going to break par. Abso-freaking-lutely. Look at that. Bye-bye. Hello. Certainly going to get it down. You do this channel line. That's par, baby. So euro yen looks terrible. All the yens. I love this Aussie yen short. Now, Luna yen looks like a nice short. I mean, look at this rolling over. Certainly to the channel line, this Aussie yen. That's 78. 60 pips. Take it. This Aussie dollar. Forget it. Outside candle got to 102. Remember, it's Wednesday. Triple interest, triple roll. Wait until 5 o'clock and then sell. They're going to probably rally this thing to get the interest. If you don't know about triple rollover, if you don't know what that means, email me. Maybe I'll even do a free webinar for that. Interest rate differential, that's what it's all about in foreign exchange. In foreign exchange, in the spot market, you get paid interest. That's why the spot market's so good. You don't get paid interest on futures. Carry trade, baby. And you look at this wedge. Now listen, I thought they was trying to break it out. But who cares? This should be easy trading now. Look at that wedge. We should come right down to that. It's about 99.60. Should be about 120 pips. I think this pound Aussie, the stock market's going to be down. Commodities are down. Even though they broke this sucker down, I'm not buying it. I think we want to buy this baby. Break it down and break it out. Because, again, euro sterling was the problem today. Cable is the relative strength loser. Euro sterling sucking in. I'm not getting sucked in. No way. Still a short. It is an outside candle. I am nervous about being shorted, but this euro is toast. Euro Canada. Look at that, baby. I'm a little nervous about this. I think you got to be long dollar Canada if you're going to be short euro Canada. Look how nice this dollar Canada looks. Gorgeous. Outside candle. It don't get no better than that. And look how it hit my channel line, and we covered it perfect. Well, not perfect, but 101.45. Actually tried to go long. I made 5 pips. I made 10. At least some of my members made some money. Big money. They stayed long. Jacko. But you look at this outside candle. This looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. This should be easy trading. BOP. If it's coming in tonight, laugh and keep buying because we're going to get follow through. Whether or not we continue and we hold, I have no idea. But as far as continuation, I think the probability is high, and that's what separates trading from gambling. To me, this is a 75% chance winner. And they say no 49.51. Abso-freaking-lutely not. Kiwi. Look at that outside candle. Going lower. Oh, no, I didn't just do that. Going lower. This thing might go to 76 easy. And again, I think if we get dollar weakness and S&P strength in Asia and Europe on a good Italian auction, use that as an opportunity to sell. I think it's going to be the opposite. Italian yields went back up after the good bond auction. And the ECB's balance sheet is a freaking shocker. Where did that come from? Aren't they losing ammunition? Don't they have to expand their balance sheet even more? If that's the case, what is that going to mean? This dollar Swiss breaking out. Over a 94, it's a long. It is. Can't fight the tape. It's a long. I lost 30 pips in it. Not so bad. And let's take a look at crude. Short show today. Let's get the gold. Breaking lower. Gold is going to 1,500. Let me tell you something. Gold could be down on the year. No joke. Can you imagine? Paulson's getting killed. He's down 59% on the year. This is a guy that made billions in the subprime disaster. And then everyone gave money thinking he's a good stock picker. Okay. Well, gold could collapse even more. It broke the whole low, this whole support zone. It's toast. Gold should be an easy short. Now, I think gold at the beginning of the year is going to be a great long. Absolutely. Listen, I still think gold long term is going back up. And again, if you listen to Jimmy Rogers thinks, hey, maybe another 3 weeks of this. Oil. Again, I'm nervous about oil because of Iran and the Straits of Hormuz. They are saber rattling. They are talking tough, continuing to talk tough. Like they control the strait. Don't mess with us. We have plans. We could do anything we want. We own it. And the U.S. keeps saying, you don't own it. I don't think so. So whether or not this is all saber rattling, they're not going to walk the walk, it's a big question. Crude looks like it's going lower. But again, I don't know. I'm a little nervous on that one. What else am I missing? Sterling, it was terrible. Oh, God, killed. I'm out, took the loss, over 100 pips. I'll tell you, if it wasn't for cable and sterling yen, great day. Loonie yen was a nice trade. Look at the outside trade on Loonie yen. I mean, not much, but let me tell you, this thing's going lower. Say bye. Bye. Oh, 75.50 should be another 50 pips in this baby. Easy. Now again, dollar yen, it's going to trade with the dollar. How about my Aussie Kiwi? Little bit of reversal. Looks so freaking toppy. I swear I love this trade. I really do. But hasn't been, money in the bank. But again, this one looks like it's going to sell off. Aussie across the board after 5 o'clock. Pound Aussie. Aussie dollar. Aussie Kiwi. Euro Aussie? Maybe. I don't know. And again, people, if you have any questions, feel free to email me info@globalfxllc.com. YouTube, Voice of Forex. Twitter, El Voz, Voice of Forex. And, of course, fan page on Facebook, Voice of Forex. And I'll leave you with one Indian saying for the high holidays. Someone brought it up to me today, and I try and live by this, believe it or not. In talking to people, if you're having problems this holiday, because holidays can bring out the best and the worst in people, but think about this. Before you say something, is it kind? Is it necessary? And is it true? Very deep. Think about that. Is it necessary? Do I really want to say this? Is it kind? Am I saying it in a kind way? And is it true? You stick to those. That's a 5,000 India, Buddhism saying. And I tell you, if everyone in this world really stuck to that, what a world we would live in. Is it kind? Is it necessary? And is it true? Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice going to print you money, people. Easy night tonight. Tonight. The only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. Ching, ching. Have a good night.